Today I wanted to share the most exciting gift I received so far. After testing it for a whole day, I am ready to share the absolutely favorite features of it, as well as the things that I wish were different. And just let me share with you my daughter's reaction when she learns what this board is capable of. The only way to turn it on is by powering it with the cord that was provided, and it is type C to type C. So if you're like me and don't have the type C plug-in at the wall, you're gonna need an adapter. I'll be using this adapter to plug it in into this adapter. So yeah, fun times. Okay, find the icon that says free create.
Oh my, it's working. Oh my. Guys, it's copying the same thing.
So pretty much the things that you put in your app, exactly same thing is gonna show up on your board. Is that cool?
Yes, it's so cool. Like, I can draw many pictures and it's gonna copy the same picture on this.
Okay, so next one, we're gonna go to the library.
Oh my, they're so cute. Look at these. Oh my.
There are hundreds of templates that you can choose from.
Oh, I'm definitely choosing. I'm gonna go with this
Try that one.
Ooh, why is it so purple?
Because that's purple. You can choose the brightness on the board as well. Like you can dim it down and you can increase the brightness. Then we can import pixel art, which I don't have. And you can import images. You can choose between photo album and camera. So if you choose camera, you're gonna snap a picture and it's gonna go into here. Or you can choose from photo album.
Oh my, okay, so I will do this one. Start creating. Oh my! It gets all the colors this time. It gets all the colors.
So, Eva,
What?
is it the best gift ever?
Yes! Like, it was normal picture. And look closely. It has these things now.
It has all the numbers. It transcribes to all the different numbers of beads that you're gonna need to create it, and it transformed it to here. So you can choose any picture that you like and make it into pixel art. Honestly, I think this smart board is so worth it. The only things that I wish were different is that I wish that this thing was rechargeable, so we wouldn't need to hassle with all the wires and stuff like that. And another thing that I wish were different is actually nothing. I think this is very nice gift for any crafty person. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider giving me a like and a follow.